design and development of low-cost, more efficient magnetic leviated vertical axis wind turbine. This is easily harvested the natural resources of wind energy to generate the electricity. So we are design magnetic leviation. Here magnetic leviation is there instead of thrust bearing. When the wind is blowing from all direction, it hit the one blade that will rotated frequently. So when it is rotated, the coils are mounted here. So it generates the current by using
stator and
rotor. By showing this multimeter, we can show the voltage.
These are neodymium magnets. There is no contact between stator and rotor parts. There is a deviation between two stator and rotor parts. Due to this, there is no friction between that's a stator and rotor. So like this, so we can reduce the friction between this stator and rotor. We improve the performance of the current generation. Generation part.
Now it is manually operated, but minimum startup velocity is required for this one. 1.3 meter per second in terms of kilometer per hour, 4.68 kilometer per hour, and it by this model friction magnetically bearings are using. Previously using frictional contact bearing, as compared to frictional contact bearing and this one, so we have to produce the power 133% more than the frictional contact bearings, and in this we will minimize the friction also by as compared to non contact frictional contact bearings. So here we will using the neodymium magnets. These are the more efficient and low cost project.
We are from Mangalore Institute of Technology and Engineering. Our project is tactile Braille display using relay switches. Braille is a traditional writing system used by the visually impaired people, and it is traditionally written using embossed paper. Tiny palpable dots will be projecting outside the paper, and the blind people, as the tactile sensation is very important to them, they can feel it and read it. Here we have achieved it electronically. This is a paper feeding tray, and we insert such a printed paper into this paper feeding tray. There is a camera mounted over it. The camera will acquire the soft copy of this printed image. The soft copy is then character recognized by the MATLAB, and the MATLAB will in turn send those recognized characters into the Arduino. Arduino is the microcontroller we are using here. Arduino then compares these characters with a previously stored database, and then it assigns a binary value to each character, like binary values in the sense zeros and ones to each character. If it is A, it will assign 0 to the projecting ones and 1 to the other ones. So such zeros and ones will be sent into the relay switches used here. Here 6 relays are cascaded to form one Braille cell. These are 6 relays, and these have a movable contacts. These are movable. So there is an electromagnetic switch inside this, electromagnet inside this. So when current is passed, the electromagnet will attract the armature which is attached to the movable contact, and then if it is 0, it will be released. If it is 1, it will be attracted. So the projection difference can be felt by the blind people, and they can read accordingly. These are the shift registers used because the Arduino sends the output serially, but the required output is parallelly. That is, the data should be sent one by one. So we use serial input, parallel output registers, and since there is a need to drive 30 relays at a time, we are using a driving circuit which is in turn driven by an SMPS, which provides 500 milliamperes output. So our main aim was to provide confidentiality to the blind people, so that they can read any input without any external help. And illiteracy, I mean, this group is very high because they do not get any accessible format reading materials. So we use this can be any normal format can be converted to Braille using this device. This is the exact model. So if there are pins projecting outwards, when the movable contact projects outward, they can feel this and they can read.
This is a automated robot for seed sowing, fertilizer spraying along with MSP430 weed remover. Myself, I am Rohit Kumre. These are my teammates. Is Mr. Suyog Deshpande. Is Mr. Vishal Paret. Okay. So and he's our guide, Professor Amit Kumar sir. Okay. So I'll be explaining about this model and this prototype, why we have gone for this. Okay. As we know nowadays in our country we are facing labor issues. So the major labor issue problem, we are trying to overcome that. So in order to that we have developed this device. Okay. So this device serves for three purposes. That is seed sowing, fertilizer spraying, and along with that it also removes the weeds. Okay. So this is controlled. This can be controlled by farmer using a app which can be communicated using a Bluetooth. So we have, like, you can just check it over here. We have designed this app and provided some soft keys which can be easily accessible to farmer. Not very complicated app what we have designed. So so let me show you how it works. So what's the procedure we follow? So firstly, initially the land will be plowed and all. So we go for digging of seeds. Okay. So I'll just tell you how the seeds have been dug. Okay. So I'll just take these arms down. Okay. Yeah. So I'll just give a forward command. Okay. Yeah. So that part of the land have been digged. So now we can see these are containers where seeds will be kept. Okay. So I have digged a portion of land or soil. Okay. So now I'll just put the seeds in that. So this will collect the seeds and put in that hole. Okay. So this way it works. This was all about how the digging process takes place. That is seed sowing. So after seed sowing, when the crop comes and when the yield comes, we need to give proper fertilizers and all. So for that purpose, we have placed a, you can see at the back, this portion you can see is used for covering of soil when the seeds are being sowed. When the land is being digged, that portion is used. So this is a sprinkler what we have attached at the back side. So this is used for spraying of fertilizers on the crops. So when I give this command H, so you can just see the motor has been run. We have not filled any water because there are projects aside. So you can just give a command forward and you can just on that, so it can go spraying along the field. Okay. So using this we can save, gradually reduce the wasting amount of fertilizers and all, and even labors for spraying the fertilizers can be reduced. So these are the weed removers which are used to remove the weeds that grow along the crops. Okay. So when I fix this weed removers, so when I fix this weed removers, just one, I'll show that camera. Okay. So you can see this weed removers. Just zoom on it. So these are detachable wheels which can attach to the device wheels. Okay. So when this rotates, so the weeds which comes to this, okay, it will be strike out this. If the weed is missed by this, okay, it will surely be strike out by this. So this I will just fix it here on the wheels. Yeah. So when I'll just give the commands, so it will go forward or it will like come backwards, and it will, along with that, it will remove the weeds. So that's all. This serves for three purposes, and it's user friendly and very much helpful for farmer, and like he can cultivate more amount of this and like get more profit and gradually save his time.
Entire range is 100 meters.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
गुजर न जाए दिन कहीं इसी तमन्ना में, बाहर बन के आऊं कभी तुम्हारी दुनिया में। गुजर न जाए दिन कहीं इसी तमन्ना में, तू मेरी हो तू मेरी हो। आज तुम इतना वादा करते जाना, चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम। बदल के मैं तुम जिंदगानी, आई बदल न जाना सनम। सजाऊंगा लुट कर भी तेरी बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर काटूंगा हंसी लबों के लाले को। सजाऊंगा लुट कर भी तेरी बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर काटूंगा हंसी लबों के लाले को। हे वफा क्यों इस जहां को एक दिन दिखला दूंगा मैं दीवाना। चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम। बदल मेरे तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदलना